Pagluluto po kami ng pork chop.
This is the
This is
recipe.
the recipe, pork
And
chop.
I'm the cook.
Pork chop.
Pork chop.
We chop it, chop it, chop it.
Chop and chop.
Ayan po, until you drop. Chop and chop.
Chop and chop. And
Damihan mo naman yung pag-chop mo,
Ito
ba?
ang gago, ating ko pa yung lilit.
Okay. Okay, na-chop na po ni Altin yung
Ganda yung ba?
Na-chop na po. Sinachop na po pala. Tapos, chop and chop. Chop mo pa pag ano ba?
Check natin yung okay.
Dilaan po natin yung mantika kung ano.
Mainit na.
Kung mainit na. Mainit na. Hindi ko abot eh. Ano po? Paano yung kanin natin pa? Okay.
Okay. The pork chop is done.
The pork chop is done.
The pork chop is done and we cook this very well.
By the way, we cook this.
By the way.
We wait for 5 minutes.
Init.
Init pala. Not cook. We just wait for 5 minutes.
Ano?
Bus.
Tatangag ko ba yan, pre?
Ikaw ba lang? Hindi ako marunong magtangag eh. Hindi po ako marunong magtangag. Pasensya na. Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
This is the pork chop.
That is a pork chop.
Copy.
Okay.
Ako magsira ang cellphone niya.
Hindi masisira yan. Luto mo lang ba?
Ito na yan. And we set this aside.
We step this aside. We hina po. We hina this turn off. Like that. Then
Like
pork
that.
chop.
And then the pork chop is done.
Ano po ganyan? Then the pork chop. Cook. Totally cook. Okay?
Okay.
When it gets brown, you
You must be quickly dry it.
dry it. Yeah.
If you paso.
If you papaso.
Tanga you eh.
Your tanga eh. Diba? Okay mo naman dyan, Chef Altin. Ako po yung Chef Ligo Boy. Hello.
And we're done.
We're done. Okay, next, the rice. That's the rice. It's sinangag, man. Okay. Yung may init-init na lang yan. May mo, panis na ba? Hindi pa.
Hindi pa panis yung gago. Tagal naman panis.
Yung may init-init na lang yan.
Mantika. First naman.
Mantika, gago kung ano nandito. We need oil for cooking fried rice. Oh my god.
Oh my god, there's no water.
My kuko is very dirty. Look at that.
Look. Your finger must be
Very
that.
dirty. we're cooking while
Alright, we're cooking pala dyan.
fried rice.
There's masas na sapen.
Yeah.
Ate, pagbabalik na ka.
Wala na pagbabalik, puta. Yan din yun.
Tapos na yun.
Now, it's still hot? It's hot? No, not yet. It's not hot. It's cold. Oh, tangina ka, kinamay mo. That's why. Hello, Mr. What do you think of are you cooking, huh?
Fried rice.
Fried rice?
With no garlic. But kanina pa. Pero kanina pa talaga. Pinilit na natin.
Kaya po talaga to.
Medyo panis
Actually, ginawa na namin yan para di tayo sa oras namin.
Medyo panis na natin. Kaya nga,
nahihirapan na po kami. Pero gusto na po ako mag-English.
Mga reklamo. Pag customer pa.
Parang ang mga niya para. Yan lang masyado. We're ready to eat. After this, we will eat na. You. Are you hungry?
Not much.
Hindot ka. Okay. Look at our facilities. Very clean.
Very clean.
Very clean. There's a map. There's a rat. Where's the rat?
Where's the rat? Running beach.
Then after that, yeah.
Take it.
You lick it. You lick. Oh, no. No, you don't lick it.
Oo nga.
Why speaking Tagalog? Mr. Chef Altin.
You must be completely not.
You complete me. Oh my God, you complete me. Okay, we're finished. We're done.
We're done.
You get your plate. I'll eat. Okay. Okay, we're done. So, we need to say goodbye na. Okay? Well, say goodbye, Mark.
Hey, good.
Chef Altin,
Chef Altin.
and commentator Nico Boy. Okay?
Signing off.
Signing off.